Oh man, look at this exciting amazingness right here.
To make my coffee, I always put the creamer in the cup first, and then I put my coffee K-cup in my, Keurig, and then I start to brew it, and I stir it while it's brewing so that the creamer gets all mixed in evenly. So if you do that way too, comment down below, or if you do it differently, let me know how you make your coffee too. I don't know, I feel like I have like a little bit of a weird ritual with my coffee, but that's the way I like to do it. You have cool pockets?
Yeah.
Do you love your new pants?
Benny.
Yeah, Bentley and Chloe Bear. Do you love your new pants?
Love him.
You really like camo, don't you? Yeah. You are so cute.
I'll go fly planes.
You're gonna go fly planes? Okay, you do that.
Go fly planes.
Uh-huh. Oh, blades?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. What are you screaming about over here? Huh? Are you Mr. Happy No Pants? With your chunky baby legs? Your chunky baby legs? Your chunky baby legs? Is it tickle? Colton's so cute. He comes down this morning and he's wearing his new camo pants. And he's like, I got pockets. It was cute. And I am making pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Chris is looking at me, so I'm looking over there. But yeah, so I'm making some Laura Vitale pumpkin cinnamon rolls. I'll leave her recipe down below. She's a YouTuber that does a bunch of really great cooking recipes. So my dough is rising, and then I'm gonna make them. I was gonna do them for breakfast, but I saw the video too late, so it's gonna be like a nice Saturday brunch. So I'll show them when they're finished. I think they'll be really good. I am so excited right now. My cinnamon rolls just came out of the oven and they smell so good. This is what they look like. Fresh out of the oven, and now I gotta make my glaze to go on top. Like I said, I'll leave the link to Laura's video down below so that you guys can make these too if you'd like. They look so good. I can't wait to have one. Alright, so Colt's gonna help me put the glaze on the rolls. Here. Just get like up close to the rolls. You stirring it up? Good job. Here, look. Watch, this is what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna pour that glaze all over the rolls. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, good job, buddy.
What you got there?
Such a good helper. Yeah, good job. Start to get all the rolls that don't have any on them. You think these are gonna be yummy, Colt?
It'd be yummy. Put oven. Put oven.
They're already in the oven, buddy. You're gonna put them in your belly. Is that good?
Okay.
Here, take the spoon. Tell me how it is. You just gotta do this when you're a kid. You gotta lick the spoon, right?
Okay.
Is it yummy? Or if you're an adult too. Because they're really good. We're gonna dig into these now. They look so good.
Cut it?
Yeah? Cut it. Tell me what you think, babe.
Here.
Daddy'll help.
It's kind of a big piece. Sorry.
Is it really good? What do you think? Are they good?
It's really good.
Alright, I'm gonna try a bite now. Yeah, those are really good. Link below to her video and the recipe, and you guys should definitely make them because they're really good. I mean, how could something that looks that good be bad? I'm trying to teach Colton how to fold clothes. Okay, here's your shirt, alright? Now, Mommy has a shirt too. Now you copy what I do, okay? Watch me. Hey, Colt, look. So you got the sleeves, right? You have longer sleeves, but you're gonna tuck them behind. Can you do that? Tuck your sleeves right here. The sleeves. Yeah. Okay, now wait. Watch Mommy. Watch what I do. Okay? Now you're gonna pick it up like this. Can you pick it up? Put it beside mine. Yep, that's great job.
Perfect.
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 Good job. What do you think, Hudson?
What's there?
Hi, Bentley.
Please.
Hi, Chloe.
What's that? Whoops. Sorry.
Crap.
Oh, he got it. Good job, babe. Oh, that was so close.
You try it. Sweet trick shot, Colton.
Colton's just climbing rocks. You did a good job, bud. Don't get too ambitious now, though.
Where are you going?
You could just sit up there for a little while. Hi, Hudson. Hi, buddy. We're just going on a little family hike. We've been in the house all day, so we thought we wanted to get some fresh air and just do something different. So we're up here in the mountain, just exploring.
Yeah, just found a random path and
Found a bunch of cow poop and stuff. That's about it. A bunch of dead trees because it's a little too late in the fall to get the pretty colors. If we would have came like 2 weeks earlier, it probably would have been really pretty, but it's okay.
give them a view of the face of the valley we're in. It's like straight up. Come here, Colt. We're just walking down the mountain on our little nature walk. Whoa!
Sorry.
Gotta watch where I'm walking.
Yeah, you do. You're going to step in cow patties and a big rock and you're going to tumble. You'll step in a cow patty and then you'll trip over a rock and you'll land in the cow patty.
Face first in the cow patty.
That'd make good footage.
Yeah.
You should do that, babe.
Okay.
Oh, give me Hudson first.
No, Hudson goes down with me. Oh man. Look at this exciting amazingness right here. Look at this. Look at this right here. This is an aspen. You can tell it's an aspen by the way it is.
You should probably tell them where
That's from the
video.
YouTube video, Nature Walk. If you haven't seen that, it'll make you laugh.
Scared.
Monsters are scary?
I think he's scaring them away with
Oh,
his stick.
you're scaring the monsters away with your nunchucks. Say, ain't no cougars gonna mess with us. We got Colton. Colton, show me your moves. Show me your warrior skills. Wow. Come on. Oh man. Oh man. I don't want to get in a fight with you. You cut me in half.
Found some deer on our way out of the mountain. Oh, they're so cute. Alright guys, well thank you for watching and we will see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.